How to log in to Roblox account without password. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To log into your Roblox account, it is pretty simple. Firstly, search for roblox.com. At the top, click on the login button to log in into your account. Since we are using a passwordless login, tap on Email Me or Get One-Time Code. Enter email address, then enter the OTP code that is sent to your designated email address. Once you enter the code, you'll be redirected to your Roblox account. Wasn't it simple? So for this, you have to make sure that you have entered the correct email address or you are verified. To ensure that, head over to your settings. Then click on Account Info, and here in the email address, make sure you are verified. If you have not entered an email address, then tap on the pencil icon and enter the email address that you have the access for. By this way, you can use the one-time login code whenever you forget your password. And yes, since the name suggests one time, you can only log in once with the code. And if you want to log in with a one-time code again, you will need a new unique code. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.